interesting. What's up, guys? I made it home in time for London Open. I saw this little setup here on gold where we are very bullish on the daily still. Alright, we've got a nice bottom wick on this daily candle. Looks like we're about to flip bullish here. I was hoping that we would close above this resistance level to then fill this range. Looks like with London Open volume we certainly could fill this range. Once we break that previous hourly high there, we do have a nice bullish candle closure. Alright, we don't have much of a bottom wick on this candle either, so I'm gonna let this rock, let it do its thing. That's not really for me. And if today's candle's flipping bullish, if we break this current candle high, then we've got this wick from yesterday to fill potentially, moving up to 1785, 1786, and then there's still a range up to 1802 here on the daily as well. So still plenty of range to move up. Doesn't mean that we can't catch buys still. GBP should push. Gonna have a look at GJ now. Alright, so GJ CPI numbers, had a look. Came out bad, man, really bad. So as you can see, numbers came out higher than expected. So inflation is pretty hot here. What we've seen with the dollar time and time again is, even though inflation has been high, when these CPI numbers come out high, we see a stronger dollar. And that's as a result of the Fed, how they react to that high inflation, and they are generally holding quite a hawkish stance, starting to shift, and we're getting these Fed pivot prayers. But with the Bank of England, we've seen them still remain a little bit dovish here and there, so we're not seeing as much GBP strength. But let's see if we have any articles here. I haven't had a chance to see how the Bank of England is reacting to this data, but if they are planning to be aggressive with interest rate increases to tackle this inflation, we should see some GBP strength, and I really like the buy ideas above 166. Otherwise, looking here, the initial move from CPI, we moved down, not too crazy, but we do have more range to move down here. Overall, price is in a range here. Your 4 hour is bullish, your daily is bullish, so I'm not too keen on playing around in this range. I'm not saying that we can't see these sells from 166. We are seeing some nice rejections there, but overall in a range. Honestly, I'm going to stay patient with GJ, wait for the breaks above 166, 150. So if we can get a closure above there, I'll be happy to take buys. And then sells, I got the same idea from yesterday, waiting for a breakout of this this intraday range. You got potential sells below 164 200, but I much prefer sell ideas below 163 640. Obviously, you know, if you're looking at higher time frames, there's no reason you can't take advantage of some of this movement within this range. Just personally, the way I'm leaning towards as of late, I don't really want to be taking trades where direction is unclear. And to me, the time frames I'm looking at, direction is not clear here. Okay, so if we're missing the 1776 bars, our next option is also above 1780, and they will be breaking above yesterday's highs as well. Sorry, today's candle. If we break this current candle high on the daily, I'm expecting us to then drive up and fill these wicks. Gold playing with my feelings, took bars at the start of the previous hourly candle, it came back. With regards to that, you know, that happens often when the candle will come back and create a steeper bottom wick. But are your stops in a safe place? If so, you know, you shouldn't really have hit stops there. And the other thing is, you know, maybe you could have managed risk, but do you think it was wise to close the full position? It's played out to your analysis. Maybe, you know, I was not sitting down watching this. I don't know where your entries are, but maybe you could have given your trade a little bit more of a chance. Our message is just really have a little bit more confidence in your analysis. But I suppose there's a balance to things, because at the same time you need to be managing risk. If you see things go against you, so it's a tough one. If support forms at 165, 660, not keen to take a bar. What's up, Chad? Yeah, I actually sent a message to the Discord saying no stream today. I was going to the doctor, but I'm home in time for London Open, so let's just have a quick look. Wayne, to be honest with you, not really keen on those bars. The hourly candle is bearish here, and we're still respecting some of this structure here. We're still respecting these lows right over here. So I want to see us break back above this area to then look for those bars. Also then at that point we're going to have this really clean range to mirror back up to 166,900. So that's going to be the safest play for me here. Right now looking like we may move bearish. That's fine. Like I say, there's range to move down here. I'm just not really loving the setup. If your 15-minute closes like this, bullish with this wick up, and we're closing above 177, sorry, 170, yeah, let's say 177, then on our next 15-minute candle, we could potentially see this wick getting filled. $177, 1777. Oh, well. Can you hear me?
Excuse me?
I'm saying, can you hear me?
Wait, now I can. If you-
Yeah, alright too. So. Your 4-hour on gold is pretty ugly. Daily is clean. Hourly is clean. So we're gonna trust the daily, hourly, 15 minutes. And if we get this 15-minute candle closure right here, wait for a bottom wick to form. I'll be looking at bars here above 1777. I've got about a 35 pip range here to fill. And if we're using this wick as our break even point, that's about 14 pips or so. Right, 15-minute candle has closed. I would like to see a bottom wick being formed here.
Did you get a notification?
No. That could be our bottom wick. If we re-break this current candle high, I'm expecting us to drive up here. Alright, so as this current 15-minute candle re-breaks its own high, I'm gonna have a buy stop right there at 1778.1. Can either use previous 15-minute candle stops or current 15-minute candle stops depending on how steep this bottom wick is. So right now my stop loss, wow, it's 15 pips.
Where's your bar stop from?
78.10.
My Forex 78.10.
Yeah.
That's not quite a bit above the wick.
It's like 2 pips.
Oh fuck, I'm on the wrong time frame, so.
Okay, so current candle stops right now about 18 pips. Let's call it 20 pips. Yeah, I thought no stream today as well, but I made it home in time for London Open, so we're just having a quick look here.
Can't.
Yeah.
Because I know you like it, just take a look at the 1 minute. Your mind doesn't change. You have the same opinion.
Nah, it hasn't changed. Trying not to look at the 1 minute.
You must try this. Yesterday's trade I took. Holy shit! I was sitting. I was sitting with my MetaTrader on my laptop open.
Yeah.
On a 1 minute with my trade doing like its thing on the 1 minute, and on gold, and I had DXY open on a 1 minute on my phone.
Yeah.
Oh, hand in hand movement, Connor. Holy shit, my friend. To a T, they were twinning out, bro. Like, someone was doing this, gold was reacting to it. Every time DXY does something, gold reacts.
Was that in the evening after that news?
Yeah, that's that trade. No, not after that. When did I take that trade? Was it yesterday? No, it was yesterday, earlier, before that shit, man. Yeah. And then I was just watching, and that's literally how it was playing out, hand in hand. And then lucky enough, I was in a sound, like I told you, I was in drawdown.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, DXY ran up, dude. When I say ran up, I mean like ran up. And I just saw gold drop down just before my TP, and then I closed because it stopped before my TP. Like, nah, fuck you, I'm not falling for that. I closed the trade straight away. That 1 hour flip that candle's gonna make a bigger wick, bro, to match that big ass candle. Okay, well, it is.
Yeah, we're coming down to form a steeper bottom wick right now. I'll give this a couple more minutes and then I'll delete and wait for the 30-minute candle to close.
But you must really look to trading on the laptop, dude. Like, you put your trades in and everything on your phone, do everything on your phone. Then all you do is you just literally, like, once you're in the trades, you just go to your laptop and then, like, yeah. It's because, bro, like, closing out a trade is so much easier. Like, stop loss TP is like, it's just so much easier to manage and do whatever you want to with it. I'm not sure about how to close positions and shit, but yeah.
Okay.
My YouTube is muted, my friend. You can't hear my YouTube.
Using current candle stops are looking like 20-21 pips.
Is Adrian Yang, Connor? Do you hear something?
No. I don't hear anything.
I can't be, bro. My Discord my YouTube's been muted. I'll mute myself here if it's me, Adrian.
What do you use to check the news? You can use Forex Factory, you can use investing.com. That's what I use. Yeah, we're flipping back bullish on this 15 minute. We came back down to create a steeper bottom wick on the hourly. Looking good here. Yeah, Nico, your mic is giving a bit of static.
Being muted, bro. So I'm like still doing it.
No, it's only when you speak.
And now, you're doing it now.
Yeah.
Get it.
It's literally only when you speak, because Discord has that thing, the noise suppression.
Yeah, but check, yeah. Is it gone now?
Sounds a little bit better to me, yeah.
Okay, because you were yelling my fan, I think, in the back.
Oh, no, it's static. It's still there.
There? Could be doing it. I'm plugging my mic. My friend, I'm speaking from my laptop mic. It's built in. Do I move it out and then put it back or something?
Oh, my fuck. Don't you have earphones?
Because you don't have music playing, that's why. Joking, I don't know if you have music playing. I don't have the YouTube on. Just be muted for more. Yes, you people. Maybe don't laugh, man. Connor and Justin and Adrian. Sponsor DJ there, Connor.
Trying to see if I can put a noise suppression here for you.
I'm saying DJ it's 78.1 on our broker, not on trading bits. Our brokers numbers like. Still there, it's like hectic. Wait, let me leave and come back.
TP for bar. First targets here are 1780. Runners up into 1785.
Connor, is it still there?
Yeah, it's even worse
Okay, well,
now.
I'm just gonna be muted, bro. Don't worry about doing too much for it, okay?
Okay, cool. It might sound better on YouTube now though, because I put noise suppression on.
Nah, but I don't want to be irritating you. Yeah, dude. Might be because I don't know if it's because my TV is on. I don't know if that would cause static. I'm not sure.
I don't know, bro. I'm no tech guru.
No, bro.
It might sound better on
Oh, well, I'm gonna mute myself.
Sure. Nah, I missed that move on gold yesterday. The timing was a bit off for me. I was looking at impulse entries. Where was that move? Yeah, I was looking at impulse entries on this 4-hour candle here. But the timing was just a bit off for me, and the hourly, yeah, there we go, that hourly candle had no bottom wick. So I was just waiting for London Open at that point. But there was a lot of volume on the break of all of those highs. As we broke above yesterday's highs, just drove up here like crazy. So I spoke about that move, but like I said, it just wasn't for me. Plan break even 1779.5. Nico, they say it's better on YouTube, eh? I put the noise suppression on for you, but I can hear the static. But don't stress. I mean, if you want to chat.
I'll just mute it, dude. I don't want it to be annoying because I don't know what's doing it. So if it does go away, just tell me that it just went away because I'm trying different cup here to see what makes it go away.
Sure. Is it possible 1800 touch gold? Yeah. I do believe that there's range on the higher time frame to move back up into 1800. $15-minute closing like this doesn't look ideal. Looks good to me. We still trading above 1777. We we've created that bottom wick on the hourly and 30 minutes. 30-minute close bullish. We'll get triggered in as we break that previous 15-minute high.
The 15 close buried.
Just a doji.
Yeah, but it's bullish. Trading is bullish.
No, it's bullish from trading view, but basically
phone.
closed where it opened. On my phone it's bearish, but it's negligible. This is fine as long as we haven't been triggered in just yet. We're busy creating a bottom wick here on the 30 minutes. But yeah, looking good. Your 30-minute candle has now closed above 1777, so this is an ideal setup for me. And if we could actually pull back a little bit deeper, tapping into 1777, I could potentially move these buy stops onto the break of the current candle high. It's only a couple pips difference, doesn't make a massive difference. DXY, I actually have another look here. Bearish. Still very much bearish. How long have I been trading for? It's been about 3 years now. 3 going on 4.
Our flips, okay, even if it came back, flipped, so I think maybe the best choice would be to move to the top of the wick.
Hey,
The 1 hour flipped very shitty. I think moving bar stop to the top of the wick would be the best option.
the top of this current 30-minute wick.
We're splitting it right in the middle. Oh, I mean, it's only 7. No. No. The previous, the 1 hour high, it's 78.
Oh no. Well, now the buy stop's basically on the break of this current candle high.
Dude, I've been noticing the candles are so much different on trading view compared to the stock and broker.
I've also noticed, dude. It's mad. Would you say I'm a profitable trader? No, I just give people losing trades on a daily basis. I try and make everyone lose all the money. What's up, Vince?
Listen to him, Reese. Is profitable. Let him fool you.
He has all the trades from stream.
drives a Lambo is profitable.
So there is a record here. We actually had a look at the record yesterday. You know, the win rates doesn't... We were talking about win rates and all of that yesterday. So my win rate hovers around like, I'd say 60%. But funnily enough, the lowest win rate month had the biggest return. So 53% win rate, and we took home 510 pips. And then next year what I'll look at is actually doing, like, keeping track of the percentages, the percentage returns. And the biggest trade so far for the year, I think, was this gold sell a couple weeks ago. 320 pips off of FOMC. Buy stops, yeah, if you've got time you can move them a pip or two lower, above this current 30-minute candle. I'm going to keep them right here where they are. And then stop loss is going to be below the current candle for 23 pips, let's call it 22 pips.
Current candle.
Yeah, current candle.
It's current candle 15.
15. Oh, Chef Luke. Cooking up today, Luke. Cooking up some gold bars here. Any pairs with potential? I've got bar stops in here on gold.
Is your stop loss 75.90?
I got mine at 75.80.
But it's so nice to have military on my laptop, just pull it down. What's also nice, Con, you know, we saw like when Carl was showing us his trades, it shows where he enters and where he exits.
Oh yeah, you can turn it on.
Oh, it shows it on the MetaTrader on the laptop. And then the nice thing is what I like about it, you didn't take notes if you showed a line from the first point to the like end. Take note of that, but it does on this thing. It shows how the candles are breaking through like your break-even point and how bad you're going to draw down or how far it comes down into like profit and stuff for you. So
I've sussed that.
looking at my trade I took yesterday, I was in on a 1 minute. I was probably in like 20 to 25 minutes of drawdown. Only in for 3 minutes.
What?
Oh, they went to my TV.
What? You're in the trade for 3 minutes?
In the trade for 25 minutes in drawdown. And 3 minutes only, and then it went to my TV.
Oh, okay. I hear you.
Oh.
Yeah, since this is London session, Vince, any pair to the pound or euro should be moving quite nicely right now. Although honestly, I don't really like what's going on with GJ. We did have GBP CPI this morning. I'm only really interested in buys above 166, 150. And then gold. So we're still quite bullish here on gold.
Breaks a new low.
Depends how deep we push.
Minute mark. Really push up and close that wicket just made.
Listen to Chad in chat. He says lacquer. Do you even know what lacquer means, Shaker?
Shaker, lacquer is when you bought that. What was he talking about? What food was it? Butter chicken or
Bunny chow.
No, man.
He doesn't even know what a bunny chow is.
Not a bunny chow. What food was he speaking about? He said
Butter chicken.
What was butter chicken
and biryani.
Biryani. When you bought that butter chicken, that's lacquer, okay? And the word you want to use when you bought it is lacquer.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a good thing if you were...
It's very nice. Lacquer means very, very nice.
Yeah.
Very good. 5 minutes closing up with. See that con.
What's this?
It's the 5 minute.
Yeah.
Yes, but yet hopefully it passed that week on the left. Oh, but don't say very nice. Say lacquer.
Quite dead right now. Hopefully once we break these highs we see this volume. Still pretty early into London session here. We do have this nice clean range to fill. So once this 30-minute flips bullish, I would expect us to start driving up.
Do you think because it's spread, on TradingView the 15 closed bullish, on our phone it closed bearish? Do you think it's just based on spread? I don't understand
it may be.
The only thing I'm thinking about.
It may be because there's no spread here displayed on TradingView, but at the same time I think it's just different servers. Like the prices will vary by a couple pips, you know. Searching the word on dictionary, it's an Afrikaans word.
Oh, because fucking Chad saying something else. He's speaking his language. Does that mean lacquer in your language, Chad?
What I don't really like is this 15 minute. This 15-minute candle looks like it's going to close bearish.
What do you think about that saying us?
Yeah, it's good, dude.
Picture. Yeah?
Yeah?
Read that whole you must read that whole piece, bro. Like you'll see it when you come across it, bro.
I'll read that book next when you're done with it.
100%. How far are you with the book you're reading now?
I'm about halfway.
I'm also like middle. I'm also about halfway, dude. Shit. Fuck, I don't even know it. Read the chat.
I have African to English dictionary, volume 1. What? I'm busy reading is it Success Habits or Successful Habits by Napoleon Hill.
Oh, I actually think before I read that one, I'm going to read the Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon before I go into that book. Just to finish that second book I've started, but I haven't finished.
Yeah, I finished Think and Grow. Think and Grow Rich. Finish that book, dude.
I finished the
that's
Art of
really
War
good.
first, and then I'm gonna go finish Think and Grow Rich because I'm already halfway through the Art of War, like I said. Then finish Think and Grow Rich, and then yeah. Like I said, dude, with my eye being fucked up now from what happened with the stroke, I can't read on my phone that easily. The screen's like just being on my face is like not nice.
Yeah.
Because you have to focus on the word. If you make it too fucking big, you have to scroll to the left or the right the whole time to read the shit.
Oh, I can't read on the phone, dude.
It's difficult, bro. But that's like I went to go look if they have Think and Grow Rich in store, but they don't have it, so I couldn't buy it. So I'm just, you know.
15-minute closed bearish. Your 5 minutes still looks alright here. We formed support on the 5 minutes, breaking that previous bullish candle high. 30 minutes still valid.
Vince, I don't know what book you're looking for, but I have Think and Grow Rich as a PDF file. Send you it on WhatsApp if you want.
Vince is from here, yeah? Do you know that, Nico?
Yeah, but yeah, Vince, it's not a book that Connor's reading at the moment, but it's the same author that wrote it. But Think and Grow Rich is a very nice book as well. Adrian, have you read Have you read The Art of War yet?
Art of War.
So that's 15 giving us what we want, bro.
30 minutes
Yeah.
flipping bullish, and looks like we are about to break these highs.
I'm about to get triggered in.
And I'm in.
Me too.
Alright,
I'm
stops below the current 30-minute low or previous 15 for 23 pips. I got my break-even point at 17.79,500. First target is at 17.80, and runner targets here at 17.85.
Read it, Adrian. Very, very good book when it comes to to follow your rules, if you want to put it that way. It's important to follow what you know.
I would have liked to have gone break even on this wick fill, but the issue is it's like only 6-7 pips. If we get a nice little push once we break that high right there, I might go break even a little bit sooner. Focus on trading, that's enough of reading books. What are you saying, Shaker? If you break 1785, you're going to see 1800 possible, a nice push to the upside. That is very true. If we do break above 1785, I believe we will begin to push up to 1800. Maybe I'll leave a tiny runner back up to 1800. We'll see. We'll see how this plays out.
Is it still static, by the way?
It's not as bad, and I think it's gone for chat.
Comes back, just tell me, okay? Because I'm gonna plug my charger in on my laptop and I'm gonna know if that or not.
Okay. Cold man. You're evil, bro.
Yes, scold me.
Come on, Russia. Pull through for the boys, yeah.
Yes. Oh, fuck. Chad's in a mood today, hey? Yeah.
Do I shave my beard daily? I'm scared to answer this question. Chad's gonna tune me about something.
Listen to answer Grace's question there. 100% Grace. 110%. Okay.
As someone who is willing to be committed and is fascinated by FX, would you say if I keep on the ground and hard work, it's all gonna work out in the end? 100%, bro.
Discipline will be your biggest feedback.
At this point, I'm not really wanting to see the 15-minute flip bearish. So if we flip bearish on the 15, I'll manage risk at that point. You know our gold hasn't pushed up yet. Jared's not yet to cheer it on.
You say Jared was just saying, let's go gold, let's go. We'd be about TP by now already, Connor.
Yeah, it would be at least 1780. Only got 7 minutes left until this hourly candle closes. I would really have liked to have seen a bit more of a push, but now I want to see the 15-minute candle close above this resistance right here. What if the 30-minute candle closes bearish? Depending on your approach, you may want to manage risk at that point. I'd say as long as we're respecting 1777, it's still valid. If we close back below 1777, I'd say it's not valid anymore. I'd probably close full. You see, if the 30-minute candle is closing bearish but still above 1776, 1777, your hourly candle is still closing bullish in this range right here. looking to fill the range. So I'd say that's still valid. But it would be ideal to see this 15-minute candle, like I say, close above resistance here, just how it is right now. So we want to see this 15-minute close right above here. I've just been focusing on this trade as we sat in a little bit of drawdown there, but great if you're still here to answer your question a little bit better. Trading is hard. Trading is the hardest, easiest job. It seems easy, it seems simple, but it's challenging. It has its challenges. It's very psychological. Alright, so you're going to deal with a lot of emotions on a regular basis, and you'll have to be able to keep those emotions in check in order to be successful. So it's going to take practice, it's going to take time and experience. And another important thing is education. Warren Buffett said risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. So education is important, extremely important, but at the same time, just remember, in trading, you need to keep things simple. So you can go out and learn every single strategy, but at that point you'll have an information overload and you will not know what to look at. So when I say education, I mean learn one strategy, focus on one pair, focus on one session, focus on one setup, and just buckle down on that. All you need is one pair, one session, 1 or 2 trades a day. Keep it simple. You don't need to be using 100 indicators. You should never be listening to more than 1 or 2 mentors. Even 2 mentors speaking about completely different things is going to be too much information. So in trading, what's also very important is the right guidance. I do believe that I'm giving you guys the right guidance. I'm teaching things that I was taught that got me to where I am now. Best way to look at trading is fishing. Please explain, Adrian. Alright, so we are seeing a little bit of a push here now. We've also only got 1 more minute until this hourly candle closes. So as we move up into our break-even point, I'll be looking to secure partials here. Currently up about 10 pips. 8 pips. Alrighty, looking good. I'm going to secure half as I go break even. Alright, I'm going to close half right here and move stops to break even. Your hourly candle's closing. Very nice strong closure, so let's see. I hope that we get a little push here, otherwise we might get stopped out on the lower wick forming on the new hourly candle, but that's alright. That's why I'm securing profit right here, 50%, and I've got my stops at break even, so risk-free trade, and that's looking beautiful. What lot size did I enter with? 100 lots.
Fuck or not.
Nah.
You know what I did, bro? I fucked up. I did what I did with Jared. I did it now again. Closing before, but I closed at least over 10 bucks this time. Moved my phone. Oops. Over it, but I need to stop doing this stupid shit.
At least you didn't do what I did yesterday.
Yeah, at least.
Don't worry, Russia fire missile, we soon 1800.
Gold, you need to stop entertaining this, bro.
Yeah.
People come here and see this shit, we're gonna be in trouble.
Did you guys hear about this Poland missile story?
Yeah.
Apparently, was it 1 or 2 missiles? No, it was. I think it was 1. A missile landed in Poland and killed 2 people. And obviously they're blaming Russia, but from what I've seen, I think it's actually Ukraine. I don't think that's confirmed. But yeah, there's talks of escalation, and yeah. Anyway, we'll see. World War III, boys. As soon as we tap into, oh, we are at 1780. But there's about 8 more pips here left to the top of this range, where I'll secure another 25%, and then I'm just leaving runners, guys. Yes, it's Adrian. Always fun. Could potentially see some rejections of 1780. Thanks, Weno. Yeah, I'm gonna close another 25% right here. It's 1780 for 20 pips. Then I'm just leaving runners into 1785. I'll have my TP up there at 1785. Like I say, potential to run up all the way to 1800, but I'm not gonna hold the trade all that way. I'm happy if we can tap into the highs of yesterday. So I got my TP up there, 1785, secured 20 pips here. Definitely worth popping in for London Open. Nice little trade here on gold. GJ. GJ pushing up here. Howdy closed bullish. Nice strong 30-minute candle closure. You've also got an hour here until your 4-hour candle closes, so just want to be aware of that. Still really like the idea of buys above 166, 150 on GJ. But I think that was me, that is my trade for the day. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not going to sit here and watch the run and play out. Like I said, I've got my TP at 1785. So I'll keep you guys updated on the Discord with this trade if I do change anything. But that's going to be it from me. Thanks for joining, guys. See you. Safe trading.